Continuing electronic course, we speak about applications of bipolar junction transistor. There are many applications. The bipolar junction transistor BJT is used in logic circuits, as we showed before. The BJT is used, as we saw, in the diodes, but here we can use BJT. The BJT is used as an oscillator. A bipolar junction transistor, it's used as an amplifier. It's used as a multivibrator for wave shaping. It's used in clipping circuits, used as a detector of the modulator. It's also used as a modulator, used in timer and time delay circuits. It's used in electronic switch. It's used in switching circuits. Okay? Thanks for listening. The bipolar junction transistor BJT is used in logic circuits. Transistor NOT gate. If A is not true, then Q is true. Simple two-input logic NOT gate can be constructed using a RTL resistor transistors, which is as shown below. This is a switch transistor or transistor switch, which appear in the electronic circuit, and the trust table for the NOT is appear in the right of the electronic circuits in the left. Okay, and we have here the output, which is Q, and VCC, the collector voltage, and we have the emitter here connected to the ground, and connecting this is the NOT gate. Okay, BJT and the gate. How to connect and the gate? We show how to connect at the gate and diodes, switching diodes. But if we use the BJT, bipolar junction transistor, to connect the AND, we have the two inputs, which are the two switches, connect resistance. So the two inputs are connected to the two bases of NBN. Okay, and the emitter of the first one is connected to the collector to the second one, and the emitter for the second one is connected to the output. Okay, so the output is the light emitting diode. Okay, and the connection in the board is appear here. You can connect it and use it and test it. It's a AND gate. Transistor NAND gate. The logic NAND gate is a combination of digital logic. Here NAND عبارة عن AND plus NOT gate. So I will go here and connect this one to this one. Okay, or we mix between we have a logic diagram, and then NOT, and then NOT. Okay, and then NOT. Okay, so this is the NAND gate. okay. الكيس الوحيدة بقى اللي بتطلع فيها زيرو اللي هي الناند جيت لما يكون عندي ايه الاتنين 1. any one then will get a sorry الكيس الوحيدة اللي بتطلع فيها زيرو لما يكون الاتنين 1. الاتنين 1. okay okay because any zero will get 0, so not of it will be 1. This is a NAND. Transistor NOR gate, which is the not of OR, the inclusive NOR, not OR. This is the NOR. Gate has an output that is normally at logic level 1 and only goes low to logic level 0 when any of its inputs are at logic level 1. The logic NOR gate is the reverse of complementary form of the inclusive OR gate. When we use BJT, bipolar junction transistor, we connect the electronic diagram as a left, and the trust table appear here for the NOR. الكيس الوحيدة اللي هتطلع 1 لما يكون الكيس الوحيدة بتاعت الزيرو هتبقى ايه 1. اي 1 بعد كده هتطلع 0. It's appear in the trust table. And the logic in the right, sorry. Two input transistor NOR gate. هنا real life example, والاوتبوت بتاعي واضح ان هو ايه بالليد. Okay, and here two examples, different example for NAND gate and for NOR gate. And NAND gate البارس list semiconductors types of BGTs. We have two BGT bipolar junction transistors, TR1 and TR2, and we connect the circuit like this in the left and test it. So okay, NOR gate, yeah, this is NOR gate. NOT gate. The BJT is used as an oscillator. How to use BJT as an oscillator? In an LC oscillator circuit, the filter is a tuned circuit, often called a tank circuit. Tuning circuit or tuning tuning is a tank circuit. It's called a tank circuit. The tuned circuit is a resonator consisting of an inductor, have a capacity of Henry, and capacitor has a capacity in farad connected together, as we show here. We connecting an inductor and the capacitor. We have many capacitors here, but the resonant circuit or the tank circuit, which is between, include the capacitor and the inductor. Change follows back and forth between the capacitor's plates through the inductor, so the tuned circuit can store electrical energy oscillating at its resonant frequency. Typical LC oscillator. What mean LC? Mean there is inductor L and C capacitor. So typical LC oscillator circuits are the Hartley, Collaptis, and the clap circuits. I think Hartley related to the heart, which is a device which is built on the heart to system that electricity of heart for large disease of heart disease, large people or old people between 80 and 90 years. Hartley oscillator is from 20 kilohertz to 20 megahertz. This is oscillation. The collapsed oscillator has better frequency stability when compared to Hartley oscillator. Ramp generator with transistors. Okay, ramp. I can generate waveform like this one is ramp waveform. So bipolar transistor RF mixer multiplier, a more common circuit for transistor mixer appliers. The local oscillator to the base and the RF radio frequency input to the emitter of the transistor. So we have a mixer here, RF mixer multiplier. Two signal generators are used in the circuit, one representing a high frequency RF carrier, and VG2, the other signal generator, is used to inject 1 kilohertz audio signal. We have carrier signal and the and data signal or audio signal. The two signals are mixed and amplified by the transistor, and an amplitude modulated signal appears as the collector of the BC 548. This is the type of the of it. The DC component is removed by the C2. C2 is constantly C2 all R3, and the RF output now appears across the load resistor R3 here. So we have the diagram showing the input and the RF input, and we have the filter and the electronic diagram in the right. Thanks for listening. I hope you to join us in our channel for and subscribe for the channel for knowing if any new videos are updating. If you are interested in electronics, you can send me through one of these. I like your comments and feedbacks on video. Thanks for listening.